Charlie's all depressed because we had to put medicine in her ears again. But I have pancakes. And there's Rachel.
Hi.
These pancakes make me slip off my chair. Mom and I.
Sick, and then Daddy was so mad at me because I didn't tell Dr. Boring when I was here last week. So
Silly mommy.
I know, tricks are for kids. That's a commercial. Silly mom, tricks are for kids. Look it up, add it into your vlog.
Okay.
It's an 80s reference.
Tricks are for kids, silly rabbit.
Okay. We did yoga and now we're at the doctor.
It's Valentine's Day.
Yes. Me? I am perfect.
Really important happened right there.
How important do you think?
So important we're still standing here.
Charlie, how do you feel? Chloe? He has no idea what he's doing today, so ignore my hair. Anyway, the UPS guy was here, I guess, and I can't see him very well because the shade's drawn in here. And Charlie goes nuts, and I'm like, oh my gosh, there's a mass murder, and it's just the UPS guy. So we should go investigate what the UPS guy brought. Someday, when I get paid, I'm going to be buying things that I want, but right now, nothing is coming for me. Would you stop? He's gone. Chill. Snack. Not for you, for me. Typically don't like nothing else to eat. I'm hungry. I need to save my strength until around 7:20 when I get back home from class.
It's clean, but stained.
Okay. Thanks.
He took a rubber ducky bath.
Charlie's eating popcorn out of the dishwasher. He didn't finish!
And the rubber ducky took a bath in the dishwasher.
Food. Hey guys, I didn't get hit or almost hit today going to school, which was nice. I was extra careful. So what happens when you go earlier, like you go closer to time because you have time to get there because you live so close, but everyone's leaving when you get there because the class is ending. But oh well. We had fun in class. We made floor plans for things, and that's my end of the year project I have to work on, so I only used maybe a fifth of my creativity on this one we made in class, but it didn't matter. We just had to make one. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. I got a lot of school done today, which is nice. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I don't have any more school to work on. I could work on my project some more, I guess. Oh, Sue was really good. I ate way too much of it, but anyway, I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to go watch a show with Mom. She wants me to see it, so we're going to be happy. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Also, it's February 14th, 2017, and I never said that, ever. Happy Valentine's Day, you guys. Stuff has been blowing over my head all the time. But yeah, happy Valentine's Day. You know, it doesn't matter if you have someone or you don't. Because you're awesome, and you should buy yourself some chocolate, and God loves you, and that's the most important thing. And if you just celebrate today like any other Tuesday, good for you. If you didn't complain about it, good for you. If you celebrate with somebody, good for you. Buy yourself some chocolate, good for you. Because you're awesome, and you deserve to love yourself and have someone else to love you. If you have that person to love you, if you haven't found them yet, you'll eventually find them soon. Do not worry about it. It's all in the plan of God's plan. All the plan of God's plan. Yeah, I'm just so good with words. Okay, bye.